Hi first graders, welcome to another Foundations lesson. So today we're still working on Unit 4, Week 1, Day 4. So our topic this week is bonus letters. I hope you know that by now, right? So we're going to start with our warm-up. You will need your octopus book if you have it. If you don't have it, you'll need your trick word sheet, okay? So it's only one-sided this week, so make sure you have that with you. So here we go. S-H, sh. K, k. X, x. S, s. T-H, remember, think of thumb. B, b. U, A-L-L, ball, all. Good. C-H, ch. O-ah. D, d. W-H, w. V, v. C-K, k. Good job. All right. So you're going to be my echo, so listen first. A, apple, a. Your turn. Good. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Great job, first graders. Okay, so let's move on. So we're gonna look at these 5 word of the days that we've practiced before. And I want you to take a minute to think about the words that you would want to mark. Let's tap it. Ready? Fill. I notice it has a bonus letter after a short vowel. So you should say that that means a star, right? Now we only tapped You don't tap that sound twice. You only tap it once. Let's tap this word. Ready? Much. Should underline the digraph. C-H. Let's tap this word. Shut. Good. Ready? Quit. Did you notice? Buddy letter. All right, and one more. Thick. This one had 2 digraphs. So take a second to look at the screen and see if you remember all these words. Great job. Today's lesson is pretty short. So we have 2 new trick words today. So let's listen to our first sentence. I had fun. So say it with me. I had fun. Pretty simple. Starting with a capital. I had fun. Now, we need to think about, is this an asking or a telling question? It's just a telling question, so we need a period. Alrighty. So, capital I, now had, I can tap. I had fun. With my period. Now, here's a trick word. Wonder if we could figure this one out. If you said I, you're correct. Now, when I is by itself as a word, it needs to be capital. Even if it's in the middle of a sentence or the beginning of a sentence, you need to capitalize I when it's by itself as a trick word. Good. Okay? Now the next sentence. They had fun. Say it with me. they had fun. Okay? They had fun. Again, just a telling sentence. Okay? So they had, we've already tapped it, and fun we've already tapped too. Okay? Put a period. I'm going to circle the new trick word. Anybody know what word that is? Did you say they? Great job. So our two new trick words are I and they. So I and they. Now, the reason this is a trick word is because you can't tap it, right? So it'd be doesn't work out. And I clearly doesn't make the I sound. It would be it. So I and they. So I want you to stand up and we're going to trace these words with our sky writing fingers. Ready? So let's do I and make sure it's capital. I. Good. Now say the word they, and trace it. T-H-E-Y. They. All right. So these words need to go in your octopus book. If you have your octopus book, I'm going to tell you, it goes on page 79. So I'll write that with the words here. I goes on page 79. Okay, just one time. Good. And then they goes on page 83. Okay, just one time. So I and they in your octopus book if you have it. If you don't have it, you're going to want to pull out this paper. So make sure you can see it. See where it says I and they? You're going to write them each 2 times. So you need to add those to your octopus book or your trick word page. Now remember, the cool part about having these pages is that you can keep all these papers at home together. So you'll have, like how we have a word wall in the back of our classroom, you'll have that at home with these papers so that you could keep track of your trick words and you'll never forget them. Now remember, you're only doing those 2 words. I don't want to see your papers already filled out with all the other words that we didn't learn yet. You have to wait till you get to that lesson. Alrighty, first graders, so that is it for our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed. I told you it was pretty short, and I will see you next time.